Hello. Hi, everyone. This is Siyabonga Makubu, again, UDJ team leader. So, today I'll be carrying on our promoter dashboard. So, on the last video, we were checking out our creatives on how we share the links. On the previous video, also, I was explaining the overview. The overview, it shows how your link is doing, what's happening with your link, how many transactions are you having, and how much revenue are you getting from the link or the links you've shared. And the commission rate is the commission that you get for a sale that you make. For each and every sale you make, you get a 10% commission, right? So, and then on the sales side, it's when it's showing from date and to date, from the day you started making the sale and until the day you actually made a sale. You can write there also your date from when you started making the sale to when the sale was closed, and then the people started paying. And then on your payment history, this is it shows you your dates from the people, like when did they pay, your payment information, basically. This is your payment history, so everything shows up here. You can save the date from your payment dates and everything. So this is just your payment history. And then your creatives is where you actually get your links. So when you want to promote a product, or you want to promote the platform, or you want to promote our products under the platform, these are the links. You get the links from this side. So now your affiliate link is a link that you share. Maybe if you want someone to see the about us, about the UPJ, if you want people to come in and see what we do, what we have done, our events, about us, our mission, our vision. When you share this first link over here, it's going to take them to the main page of the UPJ community platform. Right. So now on where it says referral URL generator, so here it's actually can generate a link for you, any link that you want. So for instance, if you share this link like this, can you see here it doesn't have your ID address? So when you share it like this, and when someone registers or someone buys something, it can't track if it was you. So it might happen you're not gonna get your 10% commission. You can't get your other revenues that you make under the platform, because your ID address is not there. Can you see here? It's not there. So I would suggest for you, if you go to Promoter Dashboard and if you want to share the main page of the platform, here, right? That is your affiliate link.